Hello and welcome back to Revolution Games Academy. In this video, we're diving into an essential feature for game development, how to create respawn points so that when the player hits an enemy or falls into the water, they respawn at the last checkpoint. Whether you're building an action game or a platformer, having a solid respawn and checkpoint system ensures players can seamlessly continue their journey after a mistake. Let's get started and bring this feature to life. I have a simple level set up with a 2 checkpoint. I added a collider and a tag to the checkpoint to detect whether the player crossed it. We'll start by adding some scripts. Click on the player and add a script called Respawn and Checkpoint. Then open it in Visual Studio. First, remove the default methods. In this script, we're implementing a basic respawn system with checkpoint. We defined a vector3 variable called respawn point to store the player's current respawn position. The respawn method resets the player's position by assigning the respawn point to the player's transform position. Inside the onTriggerEnter2D method, we check for collisions. If the player collides with an object tagged as checkpoint, the respawn point is updated to the position of that checkpoint. This ensures the player starts at the most recent checkpoint after failing. If the player collides with an object tagged as water, which represents a hazard, the respawn method is called, instantly moving the player back to the last checkpoint. This simple script demonstrates how to use collisions and transform adjustments to implement a functional respawn and checkpoint system in Unity. Save the script and return to the Unity editor. Now set the initial respawn point. For now, we'll use the player's current position. Next, we'll set up a trigger for water to handle player death. We already have a collider for the water, so we can duplicate it, and I am changing the name and adjust its box collider size to fit. Ensure the isTrigger option is checked in the box collider 2D settings. Now create a new tag called water. Go to the inspector, click the tag dropdown, and select Add Tag. Add a new tag named water, then assign this tag to the water trigger game object. That's it. Now run the game. Here you can see before crossing the checkpoint, if the player falls in the water, they will respawn at the default starting position. After crossing the checkpoint, if the player falls in the water, they will respawn at the checkpoint position. And that's how you implement a respawn system and checkpoints in Unity. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to create a respawn system and checkpoints in Unity. These mechanics are crucial for improving gameplay and keeping players engaged. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Revolution Games Academy for more game development tutorials. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep creating and keep revolutionizing your games. See you in the next video. Happy game developing, guys.